how to find someone on Instagram by phone number. So if you want to find Instagram persons by phone number, then what you need to do is first open up Instagram application. While Instagram users can link their phone numbers to their accounts, it's designed for privacy. So it won't show up in searches or on their profile. But don't worry, you can try another alternative by giving the app access to your contacts. When you sync your address book in Instagram, the platform can recommend all the known profiles based on the phone numbers stored on your device. Let's start by making sure Instagram has permission to access your contact. Tap and hold on to your Instagram, go with the app info, and here you need to go with app permissions and make sure that you allow the contacts permission. If it's not allowed, you need to go and allow it, enable it. Next, head over to your Instagram profile dashboard, go with your profile which is on the bottom right, and tap on the three lines icon which is on top right. From there, go to Account Center. After that, go with your information and permissions, and here you will have Upload Contacts. Tap on it and make sure that you've selected Instagram. And here you need to turn on the option of Connect Contacts. With your contacts synced, Instagram will start suggesting people you might know based on your address book. Head back to your profile, look for the Find People section and browse through them. If you can't see the Find People option in your dashboard, go to your following list and look for the option below. That's how you can find someone on Instagram by phone number, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.